Morning. So today's topic is reflection of light. This is for class 10, belonging from the science, physics. It is the first chapter that we see during the online session. So please pay attention. The reflection of light, it was that the moving back by our body or surface of light without absorbing it. When the light is falling anybody, if the light is falling like this, anybody it record like a ball. This तरीके से बॉल दीवार को मारते हैं और फिर वो टकरा के वापस आता है. सेम उसी तरीके से लाइट भी back at you, moving back. This is called the reflection of light. This is called the reflection of light. The throwing back by a ball on surface. Body on the surface are of very type. That will be smooth, that will be rough. Maximum bodies in the world reflected the light. And all they are the maximum of them are of nature. Very few are the plain surfaces are there like mirror, water bodies. They are the plain. This is a type of the reflection. According to surfaces from which the light is reflected. The reflection is of two. How many types? Two types. First one is the regular reflection. And second one is the diffuse reflection. The regular reflection is what? Very simple. If the reflection happens from the main surface, that is called as the regular type of reflection. The rays after reflected all are parallel to each other. Condition in the regular reflection is that the rays, the incident rays, those are all on the plane surfaces or on the plane or smooth surfaces, all they are parallel before the reflection. When they are parallel before reflection, after reflection also they should be parallel. They should be parallel. In this condition, you can see that reflection is a type of regular type of reflection. The example for it, the best example for it is the mirror. Mirror is the best example for it. The example of the reflection is mirror. The second one is the diffuse reflection. Second is the diffuse reflection. Opposite to the regular reflection. Second type is the diffuse reflection. This happens from the dark surface. Except mirror, water bodies, and other bodies. Those are reflected light. All they are also the diffuse reflection. Clear that in the world, in the universe, maximum objects those are just seen because of the reflection and their surfaces is the dark surface. They should be in this condition, the rays after reflected are not parallel to each other. Opposite to the regular, I already told you in diffuse, after reflected rays are not parallel. Here they are parallel. See that? Here they are parallel and here not. Let us see this topic. Ready? If you see the first diagram that shows smooth surface with the regular reflection. Here, these two incident rays are parallel to one another. After reflection, they are also parallel to one another. This is example for regular type of reflection. Second diagram shows that your rough surface is there with the rough surface. they are parallel to one another. Both the rays are parallel to one another. After reflection, they are not parallel to one another. See, they are moving here and there, they may be interested to one another. And this type is our diffuse type of reflection. Here, the basic concept of the reflection and the surfaces is again we should know about the type of the waves. Basically, we are given our daily life in the three types of waves. Spherical mirrors are of three types. First one is the plane mirror, second one is the concave mirror, and third is the convex mirror. In the first case of the plane, both the surfaces are plane. Plane surface, plane mirror. In the front side, the shiny surface, and the back side it has the rotate surface. This is the rotate surface. And this is the plane surface. This plane surface reflected the light on it. In this case, the image form in the plate mirror that the analyzing in on the home and the home that show you a virtual and image image. Virtual and image image. This is a virtual and image image. For example, when you are standing in front of the mirror, that is in your room, to observe yourself of the same size, yeah, then your eye size, distance from the mirror, you are seeing. But you are looking yourself inverted. You are seeing as it is to yourself. Only it sees the lateral inversion. It means that the left looking like a right and right looking like a left. This is called as the lateral inversion. Other things are no change. Okay, this is the virtual image, not a real image. As it means upright. हम जैसे हैं वैसे ही वहां दिखते हैं. This is the virtual and image. Second here is the quantum. It is very simple to define the quantum. How this diagram? From the diagram we are seeing that shining surface curved inside. Shining surface curved inside. This is called as the quantum mirror. Image formed by these mirrors is depend on the distance of the object from this mirror. So this is the diagram. Then third one is the convex. Concave. Convex. Here in the concave, the shining surface is covered inside. In the convex, shining surface is moved outside, curved outside. This is the convex. It's a we can explain it very easily. It is food that we are having in our kitchen. A spoon. We are looking like a spoon like this. If you are seeing from this side, it works as a concave ring. If you are looking from this side, means the back side, it works as a convex mirror. Here, we completed the spherical mirror. Very clear? Now, the next one, the last topic of today's class is the law of reflection of light. This law of the reflection of light are very important. Without these, we are unable to understand the further chapter or the further topic that we are understanding in the online class. Let us see the first law of reflection. The first law says that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The first law says that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Here, that is the angle I is equal to angle R. normal and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Both the laws. See mathematically. See this. This is the plane wave. This one is the incident wave. This one is the reflected wave. The point from this is the ray reflected. Point is called as point of incident. On that point, incident they get light, and from the same point, it gets reflected back. According to the first law, the angle between normal and incident is called as the angle of incidence. Angle of reflection, the angle between normal and reflected ray is equal. So here, the normal is this. This is the normal. Perpendicular to the mirror. Perpendicular to the mirror is the normal. That is drawn from the point where the light gets incident. Okay? The angle between incident and the normal is I repeated this by that is called as the angle of incidence. Second, a small angle between normal and reflected ray. Normal and reflected ray. It is called as the angle of reflection. Both should be equal. This I equal to suppose this is 45 degree. It is also 45 degree. This is your first law of reflection of light. Second law of reflection of light says that incident ray, normal and reflected all lie in the same. See that they are the same phase of the mirror.